How can you fix call not available? How can you fix if you cannot call someone on your Snapchat, or if you're calling the call is declining again and again, and if there is showing call failed on error on your Apple iPhone screen? So how can you solve this issue? Guys, this issue is nothing. This is very simple and this is quite easy to do. Firstly, we just have to check that our network connection is good, that if you have enough connection, because this problem is happen only if your network is low. So the first step is to get a better network connection, and the second step is to go on your iPhone, slide from the upright corner on the top here on the right, and swipe it like this. And after that you will see the first option called flight mode. Just enable your flight mode and switch it off for the 2 or 3 seconds, and now your problem is solved. Yes guys, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you like this video, then please drop a lovely comment in the comment section.